Hey there, fellow editing wizards. Welcome back to the editing verse, where transitions are smoother than my morning coffee and effects are cooler than your ex's new haircut. In today's video, we're diving into something simple but slick: how to create a rounded corner effect in CapCut. It's easy, it's clean, and trust me, your videos will thank you.
Nice.
Before we jump in, though, real talk. If you like learning cool stuff without the boring lecture vibes, smash that like button like it owes you money and hit that subscribe button like it's the last cookie at a party. All right, let's make some magic. So, first things first, open up the CapCut app and add a background to the timeline. Something simple, something cute, or go full chaotic energy and drop in sparkles. No judgment here. Now, we're going to add the video or image where we want to apply the rounded corner effect. Place it right above the background like it's claiming its throne. Next, we'll decrease the scale of our clip. This helps the background peek through like it's photobombing your edit. Intentional, of course. Now, select the clip where you want to apply the rounded corners and tap on Mask. From the options, choose the rectangle mask. We're going full-on smooth vibes here. Once selected, adjust the mask to fit your clip just right, like tucking in a blanket but for pixels. Then, head into mask settings and increase that round corner. Yes, give those edges a spa day. Feel free to play around with the settings too. This is your canvas. Get creative and make it fit your vibe. And boom! Just like that, you've added a smooth, professional-looking rounded corner effect in CapCut without pulling your hair out. If this helped, go ahead and like, subscribe, and maybe even leave a comment with what weirdly specific effect you want me to cover next. Until then, keep editing, stay weird, and make your timeline proud.